Almighty as my witness that I will keep the divine instructions as my guide in performing my duties. I will protect human life in every situation. May Allah allow me to fulfill this promise. Ameen.
Be ethical, be compassionate. Today, you graduate as medical students. Tomorrow, you still forward as healers for this nation. May Allah grant you wisdom in your decisions, strength in difficult moments. Patient young doctors, Pakistan needs you. Pakistan Zindabad. Not just Zindabad.
Third professional annual examination came. First in final professional annual examination.